Ano? Ay, thank you very much. Thank you all for coming. I hope supportahan niyo po ang Itutumba Ka ng Tatay ko. Aside from my first directorial job ito, it's a comedy na feeling ko ay hinahanap ng mga masang Pilipino. And of course, this is a great tribute to my dad.
Kaya Jano, this is the first time na nakakausap ka ng showbiz press.
Yes.
After what happened. Siguro ang gusto namin, ang consensus namin lahat is kamusta ka?
I'm good. It's good na I got the not so good details out of the way nung isang press con ko. I'm sure you're all aware of that. I wanted to get that out of the way para makapag-promote. Alangan naman pumunta ako dito promoting my film. Very sad and maraming tinatagong galit at lungkot at hinanakit. So I wanted to get it out. Wanted to get it out of the way, and I did. Nailabas ko na lahat ng mga emotions ko doon. So I'm very happy that now I get to promote my movie na masaya naman. And yun nga, of course, this is all, may nagsabi kasing, is it too soon to release the movie after what happened? I believe this is the perfect time to release the movie kasi yung, sorry, ayoko na umiyak, pero yung huling image of my dad was it wasn't nice. So hopefully this erases that. Makita naman natin siya in all his glory.
Na magaan, na masaya, na fun. Ganun ba yung character niya dito, Kuya Jano?
Actually, hindi. Medyo mabigat din yung eksena namin dito. But towards the end, it gets lighter.
Okay.
Yun.
Mahirap bang i-direct ang father?
Hindi naman kasi kita ko naman yung support niya. I remember one instance na yung confrontation scene namin. I was rewriting the script bago kunan yung eksena. So sinusulat namin. Tapos pinadala ko na, sabi ko, bigyan niyo na sa daddy ko para pag-aralan niya. Pagdating ko sa set, sabi ng daddy ko, alam niyo naman daddy ko, sinong magaling na nagsulat nitong dialogue na ito? Ganda eh! Sabi niya. So, syempre, kilig naman ako noon.
Right. Meron po ba siyang parang in-impart sa inyo na, baka drama po ba yung eksena?
Yes.
Kasi si Tito Ron talagang master ng drama.
Hindi naman. Kung meron man siyang mga puna, after na lang niya sinasabi sa akin. Not about the scene, about the whole movie. Sana ganito. Pwede mo pang ginawa ito.
So it appears, Kuya Jano, that this movie is gonna be very, very precious for you.
Of course. Yeah, it's like I said, it's the best parting gift my dad can give me.
Technically po ba ito yung last na film na nagawa niya or meron pa po?
Hindi po. Meron po siyang nagawa pa with napalabas na yung iba eh. Merong ipapalabas kasabay nito, I think, Good Game. He's there also. But meron pa siyang isa with Bex Battalion.
Pati Poon.
Poon. So this is not his last movie.
Pero grabe Kuya Jano, dami niyang natapos
Yeah,
sa pelikula.
ang dami. Till the end, dami. He was very active.
Right.
What was your favorite moments working with him dito sa movie na to? Any memorable?
With me, yung action scenes namin. Meron kaming action scenes dito together. So, ang sarap kasi talagang dinedirect ko siya and medyo pinahirapan ko siya ng konti technically. We had fun. I have pictures that I posted. stolen shots, kita kaming masaya talaga.
Sir Jano, alam po namin na medyo hindi po okay yung naramdaman niyo po ngayon. Recently, paano po kayo nag-move on doon sa nangyari?
Pag yung hindi ako tinatanong ng mga ganyan, hindi nakakatulong yung tanong mo. Hindi naman. Like I said, family is the best support. Hindi kami naghihiwalay muna ngayon. Kasi nasa healing process pa kami. Hindi pa ako fully recovered. But I'm good.
Siguro comment ko na kasi siya, recently nagkaroon ka ng vacation, nagkaroon ng posting sa social media. May mga tao na hindi nila naintindihan.
Yeah,
Paano kayo nag-react?
May nambash, pero luckily for me, kinuyog naman siya nung ibang mga netizens na sabi, kanya-kanya tayo ng ways of grieving, di ba? Meron kasi nagsayaw pa ako nag-TikTok ako Well, I didn't mean any harm, I didn't mean disrespect. Ayoko kasing in my social media, ayoko namang gamitin yung alam mo na, gamitin yung kumbaga pagkakitaan yung grief namin, yung puro na lang malungkot na nag-iiyakan. Parang ginagamit mo na yung sitwasyon, di ba? Ayoko naman. So I wanted to show magsasayaw ako.
Siguro fan question